For the past few decades, Rode has produced some of the most groundbreaking pieces of audio equipment ever seen, and heard, of course. But all of that, quite frankly, means nothing in comparison to their latest innovation. Sure, it's great making fantastic audio content, but as of yet, no audio manufacturer has solved the number one problem we all face. What do you do when you're a little bit chilly? Well, I'm happy to announce that teeth chattering in your audio recordings is no more, as Rode has today announced the brand new Rode Beanie. And we have exclusive access to this new piece of kit. So hold on to your hats, it's time to dive in. Thanks for checking out Radio.co on YouTube. If you want to see more kit reviews, live webinars, and handy broadcasting tips, then give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click the bell icon. Now, the unboxing is fairly no thrills, but let's face it, when you get your hands on one of these puppies, you're just going to want to tear it open and dive straight in. So inside you will find the beanie itself, and that's it. No wires at all, because the Rode Beanie is completely wireless. There's also no need for batteries or external power of any kind, which is truly astonishing given the new trend of hats these days. So here it is. And my first impressions are, well, obviously I'm completely blown away by what Rode has achieved here. The build quality is astounding. The look and feel of it just feels, so right. They truly have achieved their goal of producing a hat, something no one else has even dared attempt. Now, the Rode Beanie doesn't feature Rode's Aphex processing, unfortunately, but I do believe that based on the user wearing it, Big Bottom could be included. It's currently only available in one colour too, a simple grey, brown, bronze, that's 3 colours, which I think you'll agree won't look out of place in any recording studio, or even just out and about. There's also a studio grade shot mount built into each individual wearing the hat, meaning that most hits while wearing it should be completely padded. So we might as well, put it to the test day. So yeah, come on, Rowan, if you will, let's give it a little test for everyone watching. Like I said, we need to really test out. We are helping consumers with their products. So yeah, please, it's cushioned, it's padded, it's gorgeous. Let's go to the sound booth, shall we? So, comfort. Well, what's the first thing I can say about that? The first is the only thing I'm going to say about that. This is the most comfortable thing I've ever worn from Rode. And I'm sure you can tell by how luxurious it looks on my head and how pleased I look upon my face. You can also hear that large diaphragm build in the user working, obviously, which is optimized for Rode products. So it provides that extra layer of optimism whilst recording. As for the sound test, let's give it a whirl. Nice. So overall, you can tell I am seriously impressed what Rode has achieved here. It's generally an incredible product that I imagine we will be seeing in every recording booth and recording head, well, imminently, for years to come. They've generally thought of everything, and I can't imagine where audio and tech could possibly go next. Oh my God! And just before you go, have you ever thought about launching your very own internet radio station? Surprisingly, it's a lot easier than you may think, especially when you make the time to chat to myself or a member of the Radio.co team. To do just that, head to our website, radio.co/demo, where I can talk about your plans, any questions you may have, and me and the team can really get you up to speed in launching your own internet radio station in literally minutes. It couldn't be easier. Why not check out some of our webinars, tutorials, help guides situated around me? Or why not visit our website, radio.co, or even drop me an email, studio@radio.co. Until next time, take care and happy broadcasting.